Guys, I'm going glamping. Yay! It's my first time. Super excited. So I'm making this video. I know it's been a while. Can you tell how excited I am? By the way, I'm in love with my new piercing. What do you think? Gemma, what do you think? They're so much better than the one that I had before, remember? I'm just so excited right now. Oh my god. Should I just show you my room right now? You're probably curious, right? Okay, let's do this. Okay, so first of all, this is the calendar I made by myself. Let me tell you the story. So for some reason, it spilled on February. And that's when I realized I need to quit my job. And so I told my boss, and the whole crazy thing happened. Anyway, moving on. Here is my kitchen. In Taiwan, we don't really have a kitchen in an apartment, so we have to buy our own electric stove. And, you know, good luck with the smoke. Anyway, I was going through some sorts of depression, and so I bought a piano so I can release my emotions. And here's a towel that never gets cleaned. I don't know why, because I scrub my body every day. I don't know why it's still dirty. This is my fridge. I don't remember what's inside. Salmon. What's in here? Pretty empty. Okay, here's my bed. Stuff. Closet. TV. Mirror, because I can look at myself. My laundry and trash. Shoe rack. This is my bathroom. What I love about my bathroom is it's separated. See, in Korea, it's all together. But here, dry, wet. Dry, wet. Let me read you one more time. Dry, wet. Oh yeah, allow me to rewind. I forgot to show you my window. This is my only window in the room. But it's a freaking mirror at nighttime. And guess what? During daytime, it's a wall. Can I open this? It's a freaking wall. Like, what am I, a bird in a cage? Okay, so I'm on the second floor. Let me just show you real quick. There's automatic lights and camera on every floor. It's pretty safe because it's a female dorm. And here is the water machine. I forgot what it called. Water dispenser. I'm losing my English. It's okay. And you know what? At first moving in, I was like, why is this light always on, right? But I'm just like, okay, I'm not gonna be rude and just open things that I'm not supposed to open. But one day I just lost it. I lost it and I opened it. It's not on. Like, it's off. But it looks like the light is on. I don't know. It's weird. Anyway, so here it's where I park my motorcycle. Yep, the one with the pink helmet, it's mine. And that's the most annoying gate ever because every time when someone comes in and out, I can hear clearly. Okay, let's go back. And now let me show you the rooftop. That's where we do our laundry. And let me just do this real quick. Okay, almost there. So far. Here we go. This is an indoor rooftop because, you know, as you can see, and you pay by coins. Oh my god, why am I so out of breath? Pretty nice, yeah. And 2 huge sinks.
When I fall in love again, it will be love with no end. So much more than just this life. Yeah, our souls will reunite. When I fall in love again, I'm looking for my best friend. Someone to spend all my life with and hold every night. Someone who understands me. Someone who always will be riding by my side. No matter where we go on this ride.
For you.
It means to be forever. Not just because we're together, but because each other's love will be.
好好聊天。
在当中我聊天，不是没你，没有人跟我聊这种，长短短的，我要长长的来喽。
I'm looking for my best friend, someone to spend all my life with and on every night. 222, then I see you, then I'll know that this love is true.
I made my own perfume. Oh, is it a perfume?
I can understand, just like the stars above always shine down on us. I need someone to love me up whenever I feel like giving up. When I find love that is real, I shouldn't know how it feels. No, I couldn't, or it isn't real, 'cause I've only had fake love until when I fall in love again, it will be love with no end. So much more than just this life. Yeah, our souls will reach.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
尴尬，他这个。
我之前叫什么破解？很像我还是可以了吧？没了吧？
Whenever I feel like giving up, when I find love that is real, I shouldn't know how it feels. No, I couldn't, or it isn't real, 'cause I've only had fake love until when I fall in love again, it will be love with no end. So much more than just this life. Yeah, our souls will reunite. When I fall
突然想起来
again, I'm looking for my best friend, someone to spend all my life with and on every night. When I fall in love again, it will be love with no end. So much more than just this life. Yeah, our souls will reunite. When I fall in love again, I'm looking for my best friend, someone to spend all my life with and on every night.
赵丽，这个能见度是几呀？
能见度2米。
2米！天哪！
嗨，伤心。